watched the water rise to the top step. Thought the whole house would wash away, but the cedar held its breath. I'm scraping red clay off my boots now. The storm left its signature on the siding, and I'm just standing here staring at the yard. My lungs felt like they were full of lead every time you walk through that door. But the pressure finally broke. The clouds moved on to some other town. Look at the way the green comes back, stinging my eyes with all dimless lights. I can hear the cardinals fighting over the fence. The rain took everything you left behind. Now I'm just breathing in the wet grass, breathing it in. I found that old spade in the weeds, dug a hole for the hydrangea we bought. It's been sitting in a plastic pot for years. Now the dirt is soft enough to work. My fingernails are black with it, and I feel like myself again. I'm not waiting for the gray to return. I'm not checking the horizon for a leak. I'm planning something that won't die, something that likes the flood. Look at the way the green comes back, stinging my eyes with all dimless lights. I can hear the cardinals fighting over the fence. The rain took everything you left behind. Now I'm just breathing in the wet grass, breathing it in.
dry wind at the border. My suitcase is heavy with silence, but my feet wanna move. The air here is thick and heavy. It tastes like salt and the sun. I am a stranger in the street, walking to a brand new pulse. Then I heard the drums in the distance, breaking through the afternoon heat. A rhythm I didn't know I had, a rhythm I didn't know I had. Now my blood is a different color. I am breathing in the sound of the street. This foreign land is singing to me. I find my soul in the noise. Oh yeah. I find my soul in the noise. Copper skin and the beat of the wood. Someone is playing a wire in the dark. I don't speak the tongue of this place, but my heart understands the skin. The walls are shaking with the bass. The pavement is moving under me. Now my blood is a different color. I am breathing in the sound of the street. This foreign land is singing to me. I find my soul in the noise. Oh yeah. I find my soul in the noise. God, let this song never end. I am a ghost no longer. The heat and the rain are my home. I have finally found the frequency. The noise needs to be. I am finally loud. Oh, I am finally loud. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I packed the dust of the valley, left the dry wind at the border. My suitcase is heavy.